Hello, and welcome to the podcast about creating a morning routine. I'm your host, Florence. In this episode, we're talking about how to build a morning routine that sets you up for a productive and healthy day. First, let's discuss why having a morning routine is important. A consistent morning routine practice can help you start your day with intention, minimize stress and anxiety, and boost your productivity and overall well-being. So, what are some tips for creating a morning routine? One important recommendation is to get up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps to regulate your body's internal clock and set the tone for the remainder of the day. Another key part of a morning routine is taking care of your physical and emotional well-being. This could include stretching, gentle exercise, meditating, or practicing mindfulness. Whatever it is, ensure that it helps you feel centered and focused for the day ahead. During your morning routine, you should also plan out your day. This could include going over your schedule, generating a to-do list, or setting daily intentions. This gives you a sense of organization and control over your day. Finally, avoid checking your phone or email first thing in the morning. This can lead to unnecessary stress and distraction. Instead, spend the first 30 minutes of your day focusing on yourself and your routine before going into work or social media. Remember that developing a morning routine that works for you is all about experimenting and discovering what works best for your lifestyle and needs. Don't be afraid to try new things and switch things up until you find a routine that helps you start your day feeling productive and healthy. That's all for today's episode on developing a morning routine. Thanks for your time and see you on next episode.